Welcome to Prettify. Today we're diving into a heated debate in the kitchen: sunflower oil versus olive oil. Whether you're whipping up a stir fry or dressing a fresh salad, choosing the right oil can make all the difference. But which one is healthier and which one is better for cooking? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between sunflower oil and olive oil, comparing their benefits, uses, and flavor. Stay tuned for everything you need to know. When comparing sunflower oil and olive oil, it's important to look at their nutritional content. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E and a good source of omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. However, sunflower oil is also higher in polyunsaturated fats. While these fats can be beneficial in moderation, they may lead to an imbalance if consumed excessively, particularly when omega-6 is consumed more than omega-3. On the other hand, olive oil is known for its rich content of monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. Olive oil also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a preferred option for those looking to improve their overall well-being. Its phenolic compounds have even been linked to lower risk of chronic diseases like cancer and cardiovascular issues.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Now let's talk about how these oils perform in the kitchen. Sunflower oil has a high smoke point, which makes it ideal for frying and high heat cooking. It has a natural flavor, meaning it won't interfere with the taste of your food. If you're looking for an oil that can handle the heat and keep your dishes light, sunflower oil is a go-to option. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, shines in dishes where flavor is key. With its robust, slightly peppery taste, olive oil is perfect for salad dressings, marinades, and drizzling over cooked foods. However, due to its lower smoke point, it's not the best option for frying or high heat cooking, as it can degrade and lose its health benefits under extreme temperatures. If you want to retain the delicate flavors and nutrients of olive oil, it's best to use it for low to medium heat cooking or undercooked dishes. The health benefits of sunflower oil and olive oil differ significantly, especially when it comes to their impact on heart health. Sunflower oil is beneficial in moderation, but overuse can contribute to an imbalance in the omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, potentially increasing inflammation in the body. It's important to pair sunflower oil with foods rich in omega-3, like fatty fish, to maintain a healthy balance. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is widely recognized as a heart-healthy oil. It's a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is often linked to longevity and lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil are associated with improved cholesterol levels, reduced blood pressure, and a lower risk of heart disease. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make olive oil an excellent choice for overall health. When considering which oil to buy, price and availability can also be factors. Sunflower oil is typically less expensive than olive oil and more widely available in many regions. It's an affordable option for those on a budget, particularly if you're using oil for high heat cooking, like frying or roasting. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, tends to be pricier due to the meticulous production process. However, the health benefits and rich flavor profile make it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize health and taste. If you want to add more antioxidants and heart-healthy fats to your diet, olive oil might be worth the extra cost. Thanks for watching. Now that you know the differences between sunflower oil and olive oil, which one will you be using in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights. See you next time.